I love jambalaya, and this time I made seafood jambalaya. So really, the shrimp and the crab are the stars of the show. I'm going to show you guys how to get this gorgeous outcome every single time when you make seafood jambalaya. So we're going to start with our base, which is always andouille sausage. I like to slice them in half moon. This is how you build flavor, right? So this is the first thing you want to add to the pot and then work your way up. So once your sausage is nice and brown, you want to remove it and add in your trilogy, celery, onion, bell pepper. I did a little red onion as well for color. It really lent itself to the Mardi Gras theme. I added in my white rice, seasoned it really well. The list of ingredients can be found on my website, asilyglam.com. Once that's incorporated, I added my crushed tomatoes, my seafood broth, and I seasoned it a little bit more. I'm tasting it because I need to make sure it's right. I covered it, and once it was about 75 to 85% cooked like this, so still very liquidy, I started to kind of mix it up and add in my shrimp because we know that the shrimp and the crab don't need much time. So I added that on top, seasoned it again, covered it, and allowed that to steam for about 5 minutes, and then I fluffed it, and this is what it looked like. So it's still semi-wet, but that's what you're looking for with jambalaya. You want tender rice, perfectly cooked meat, and it's going to look like this. I'm using a cast iron skillet, so that retained heat is going to continue to cook it. So you want to remove that from the stove so you don't have overcooked shrimp. I paired this with a gorgeous Cake Bread Cellar Chardonnay, and we went to town. Like, this whole pot could serve 10, and it was done in like 2 days from me and my husband. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. It is glorious, and it comes together really quick, believe it or not, about 45 minutes to an hour. And you are basically in New Orleans enjoying this stunning seafood jambalaya. Oh my gosh, make this, impress your guests or impress your family. You're gonna come back for more every single time. I hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.